good news. So, pero bago tayo share yung good news, para mas ma-appreciate yung good news, let me share the bad news first. So, ano po yung bad news? The bad news is sabi sa Bible, for all have sinned and fall short of the glory of God. So, sabihin namin na kayo kasala. Sabi sa James 2 verse 10, you break one law, hindi na sa lahat. Okay? Ten commandments, lying, stealing, adultery, lahat na tayo hindi yan. Kaya ang kasalanan ng mga kaya, sabi sa Bible, lahat tayo deserve mapuntang impero. That's the bad news. Okay? The good news is, God came into this world with a flesh. Jesus Christ took the punishment that you and I deserve so that we can live forever with Him. That's the good news point. And I just want to let you know before we go to our opening prayer that you need to surrender your life to Jesus because He is the only hope sa hopeless na mundo to. Daming magugulong nangyari sa mundo natin, hindi na natin alam. Minsan hopeless na tayo. Our only hope is in Jesus Christ. So repent and accept Jesus. Today is the day of celebration. And reminder lang ulit na basketball is more than just a game. It's a platform, it's a tool to proclaim the greatest victory ever won, and that's the victory of Jesus Christ. Sabi sa 1 Corinthians 10 verse 31, whether you eat or drink, whatever you do, ay naglan pa kayo, ay nagpapatsa kayo, do it all for the glory of God, gawin mo para sa Panginoon, no? Dahil ang award mo, mission field din ito. Dahil ang greatest prize ay hindi nakikita sa championship ring, but sa crown of life na pinangako sa atin ang ating Panginoon Jesus. Dahil ang true champion mo, is not the one who has the trophy, but the one who has Christ.